there! I'm orange, the juicy and sweet fruit. I'm packed with vitamin C, which keeps you strong and helps you fight colds. You can drink my juice or peel me for a tasty snack. Hi, I'm Fig. I may be small, but I'm super sweet and packed with energy. My purple skin hides tiny seeds inside, and I've been a favorite fruit for thousands of years. Have you ever tried a fig? Hello there, I'm Kiwi. I have fuzzy brown skin, but inside, I'm bright green with tiny black seeds. I'm super juicy and full of vitamin C, which helps keep you strong and healthy. Roar! I'm dragon fruit. My bright pink skin with green spikes makes me look like a dragon. But don't worry, I'm super sweet and refreshing inside. My little black seeds add a crunchy surprise. Hey friends, I'm Avocado. I have smooth green skin and a big seed in the middle. I'm super creamy and delicious, and I help give you energy to play all day. Hi everyone, I'm Pomegranate. My round red shell hides lots of tiny juicy seeds inside. Each little seed is bursting with flavor and goodness. Try me and taste the fun.